landed in Newark, New Jersey. It is approximately 1:45 a.m. Ocean Power Technologies has a test buoy that they have pre-positioned there in the marina. And then tomorrow morning, they're going to hook up a vessel to it, and they're going to actually tow it out offshore. It's been a long time coming. This entire project has been over a year in the making. So we're really looking forward to putting it out in the water so that we can get some real-time data for our analytics packages.
So one of the things that we're trying to do to create more resonant customer-focused designs is to make sure that we have a good amount of actual field data. And so one of the things that's central to that is making sure that we have some moorings off the coast here of New Jersey, where we can bring out our preliminary designs and check them for fit for service. So one of the things we did today was take out a test buoy that has a preliminary payload on there that's designed for a maritime domain awareness.
It provides 24/7, 365 view of everything that's going on in all weather conditions. It's safer since it's fully unmanned. The people can be sitting safely in an operations center, monitoring the entire zone of interest. It significantly reduces cost. The cost of manned vessels is far greater than putting solutions like this in the water. It's much more environmentally friendly. We're not burning fuel for vessels offshore. The buoys themselves generate their energy from fully green technologies, whether it's wave energy, solar, or wind. So all of these combined provide a very effective solution. For OPT, this is a really big milestone. It shows that the partnerships we have with both Fathom 5 and Green Sea, the software that's been developed, the payload that we've installed on the buoys is working. Fathom 5 is an expert in developing secure edge computing and cloud solutions. So combined with OPT's expertise between Green Sea, OPT, and Fathom 5, we are an effective provider of domain awareness for the maritime environment.
So now that we've had the buoy actually deployed out into the New Jersey harbor, we're going to actually head back to Ocean Power Technologies headquarters, where we're going to take a good look at the data collection points.
We intend on picking up dark vessels that may or may not have an AIS signature. If it does have an AIS signature, all the information will be transmitted back, and we'll have all the buoy data sent to us, all the vessel data sent to us. And if it does not have an AIS signature, then we'll be relying on the radar to arbitrarily give that vessel an ID, coordinates, take pictures of it, take video of it, and send it back. Once we have the UI up and running, we're going to be able to fully control and intercept any vessels that are going to be appearing on the radar or from AIS signatures.
We're here at Fathom 5's headquarters in Austin, Texas. It's been a little while since we put together our deployment out in New Jersey, and we want to sit down with our UI UX designer and take a look at what she's been able to put together as far as a user experience for our future customers.
Here you'll see the display layer, and we have our camera feed, and we have control of the camera, and we have our radar feed. And on the right, we have our chart where you'll see any contacts that are in the area of the buoy display. And there's also a bit of interactivity in terms of being able to do things like draw your zones of interest, where you want to monitor specific areas of traffic. We developed a design that would fit missions that would be a typical watchstander would have. And so by doing that, we were able to really flesh out some features, and it's just been interesting to really think through what would be of use to someone using this system and how we can give them the best experience. It's been rewarding working on a product that will contribute to maritime domain awareness in a clean and environmentally friendly way.